Not in the normal Prathunam. Near to malls and night train market. Walking distance. Grab-friendly. Comfortable room and living room. Only had microwave. Washer, not too sure how to use the dryer combo, but hung out clothes for the night and it dried. Wi-Fi is superb. Evening sun comes into the place, can get quite warm. But nonetheless all great for us. Definitely okay for couples, for families it will be too cramped. My cozy one-bedroom apartment has several facilities, including a kitchen, washing machine, and internet access with Wi-Fi. There is a pool and gym that you can access for free from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. There is also a coffee shop, Thai restaurants, Japanese restaurant, supermarket, 7 to 11, massage shop, and laundry shop. There is a small space for a kitchen where you can make breakfast, coffee or use the toaster. There is also a washing machine on the balcony that you can use to wash your clothes. Car parking is available free of charge.